Introducing new 2024 Kawasaki Beautiful Retro Classic Style Model, new Kawasaki Meguro K3 2024. Kawasaki Motors Japan has announced the 2024 model of the Meguro K3. That this model is based on the W800 and has special equipment. The silver mirror finish that looks like it was plated and the hand-painted emblem remain unchanged, and the air-cooled 2-cylinders engine remains the same as the previous year's model. Kawasaki Meguro K3 model have only one color available, new mirror coat Black X Ebony color. This model, also available with price, is around $9,600 in US for per unit in Japan country. In this video we show more details from my previous video, with colors, price, that my fan comment and talking about this product. So after watch more details for this retro Kawasaki Meguro K3 2024, how do you feel? Did you have to buy this model ready? That this model will be released on September 22nd, 2023. If you have anything, please let me know by comment below. Thanks for watching.